marking with the spare, leading by 53. And now for first-time finalist, Doug Kent. Spare up in the 7th, shooting in the 8th. Oh, goodness. 4, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Game over. Very difficult split to make, but he needed strikes right there to get back into the match as he left the big 5. If he happens to convert this by sliding the 4-pin over into the 6, 9, 10 zone, not made very often, and he's shooting it really the toughest way to make it, shooting at the 3.
Hey! He converted. 1, 2, 4, 10 earlier. Now 4, 6, 7, 9, 10. How about that, Bob?
Watch the action of the 6-pin. It's the first pin he's going to hit. It deflects off the 9, bounces off the 7. The 7 kicks it just before it goes into the pit. Chris, it's actually easier to make by shooting the 2 pins on the left, but he got the great break. He has an outside